Hi, Marco here. How do you get stuff out of your builds? I know for a fact that my builds produce log files and they also produce videos because I'm using Selenium with Chrome and I'm recording these browser sessions. How do I get access to that data? It's rather simple. As always, edit your build configuration. And then on the General Settings tab, you'll find an input field called Artifact Paths. Now, what's an artifact? Basically, every file that your build produces is a potential artifact. And after the build has finished on the build agent, TeamCity will take those files and upload them to the TeamCity server UI, where you can have a look at them. Now, I'm still working on my one microservice, which is inside the calculator service directory. And I know that my build creates an artifacts subdirectory. And I just want to get every file from that artifact subdirectory. And obviously I could also specify multiple different directories here. And as you can see down here, there's also some sort of rewrite/glob rules, but I'm going to talk about those rules in a different future video. For now, this is enough. I'm just going to hit save, run a build, and go to the project's overview page where I'm going to wait for my build to finish. Okay, so the build has finished, and if you look closely, already something changed here. Because for the previous builds, the artifact icon here on the right has been grayed out, and you can read, well, no user-defined artifacts were in this build. The latest build, however, has a light blue artifacts icon, which means it found artifacts, more specifically, just two files, an application log and a Selenium recording. Let me just quickly open up that application log. Let's see, well, there's a log file right here. And then also the Selenium recording. Let's check it out. And there's a little rabbit right here. Okay, so that also worked. An interesting Selenium recording. But essentially, that's what the feature is all about. You have the data on the build agents, and later on they get transferred to TeamCity server, or more specifically to a specific storage, which could be in the cloud, which could be locally, anywhere you specify. That's about it. Bye.